Hello friends, welcome back to TechnoBuild. Today we are going to do a program on Fibonacci series. Okay, so first let us understand what is Fibonacci series. In simple language, it is just a number series which starts from 0 and 1. Okay, and the next number will be the sum of previous two numbers. Okay, so if it starts from 0 and 1, then the next number will be 0 plus 1, that is 1. Okay, so the series becomes 0, 1, 1, and the next number will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, so let me write the series. Guys, this is most important question in the aspect of interview. If you are preparing for interview or you are having the subject of competitive programming. Okay, this is so basic and so important question. Okay, so here the series starts 0, 1. Next number is 0 plus 1, that is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, and so on, so on, so on. Okay, so let's implement it. Here I taken n equals to 6, then a for the first number, that is 0, and then variable b for the second number, that is 1, and c, it is for the third number. Okay, so firstly we write the line, that Fibonacci series, which we see in output, where the series starts from the first two numbers, that is 0 and 1. The variable we mention for it, a and b. Okay, in this line I have appended plus a plus, because it will show the first two numbers, that is 0 and 1. Okay, we are done with a plus b, and then we need to write the for loop, where int I equals to 2, I is less than equal to n, and I plus plus. In the for loop, we have to give c is equal to a plus b, because I already mentioned in Fibonacci series the number is sum of previous two numbers. So previous two numbers are a and b. So the c, that is next number, which is sum of these two, a plus b. And then I have written system.out.println, where the next number, that is c, okay, which will be a plus b. Okay, we need to give b's value to the a and c's value to the b. So here is the output, where Fibonacci series is given. So it is come in the vertical line, we don't need to give output on the next line. So here I removed the next line, that is ln. So we are running it again. Let us see. Yes, that is Fibonacci series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Okay, the number of terms are 6. Remove 0. By removing 0, the number of terms is 6. Okay, so guys, here our program ends, but if the interviewer asks you to take input from users, means take terms, number of terms from the user, then we need to use scanner. And when we use scanner, we need to declare it scanner by sc, or you can take any variable, is equal to new scanner in bracket system.in. So it is integer number, that's why I have taken sc dot next int. Okay, for this sc dot next int, we need to give int n is equal to, and we need to ask from user that enter any number of terms you need to see in Fibonacci series. okay, and then let us see our program works or not. See, the number of terms are 2. Fibonacci series is 0 1 1. We have taken n n is less than equal to n लिया है ना, इसीलिए our number of terms are getting by more than 1. okay, because if we ask for 6 it is giving 7. ठीक है, if we give in the program that I is less than n, so our output will be the same. okay, here the program ends, but if you want to know that how the program is working, then here is dry run, which I can explain you for better understanding. Guys, please remember, this is most important for interview. In one of my interview it is asked by the interviewer. okay, so here I have pasted the program. Int n is equal to, let us say 6. okay, so firstly we need to take the values, that is I, A, B, C. n is 6, that is already declared. after that I, A, B, C. okay, firstly we have the values of A and B. okay, so what is A? A is 0 and B is 1. In our output, our first line will be Fibonacci series colon A and B, means that is, what is A? A is 0 and B is 1. okay, so after that line, after this line, okay, for we need to check the loop. I's value is 2. I is less than equal to n. Is 2 is less than 6? Yes. Then we will go inside the loop, that is C is equal to A plus B. So what is A and B? A plus B will be 0 plus 1, that is 1. So next line system.out.print, that is C. Means C क्या है हमारा? C है 0, A plus B, that is 0 plus 1, that is 1. okay, let us write the output A, B, C. What is A? 0. B is 1. C is 1. okay, so next line A is equal to B. so B की जो वैल्यू है ना, वो हमें A को देनी पड़ेगी. B की वैल्यू है 1, so A is 1 and B C की जो वैल्यू है वो B को जाएगी, that is 1. आ गया. so I प्लस प्लस होगा. I क्या था? 2 था, वो हो जाएगा 3. 3 होने के बाद I इज़ लेस देन 6, मीन्स 3 6 से छोटा है क्या? है. तो नेक्स्ट लाइन C इज इक्वल टू A प्लस बी. C क्या होगा? A प्लस बी. A प्लस बी क्या है? 1 प्लस 1, दैट इज़ 2. C की जगह पे होगा 2. सो आउटपुट में हमारे 1 0 1 1 के बाद आएगा 2. ओके, नेक्स्ट लाइन पे देखेंगे तो A इक्वल्स टू बी, मीन्स B की वैल्यू आएगी 1 A को, दैट इज़ 1, एंड C की वैल्यू आएगी B को, दैट इज़ 2. सो I प्लस प्लस होगा. I की वैल्यू क्या थी? अब 3 थी. 3 के बाद होगी 4. 4 के बाद 4 लेस देन 6 है क्या? है. सो नेक्स्ट लाइन C इक्वल्स टू A प्लस बी. C की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? A प्लस बी. A क्या है? 1 2. 1 प्लस 2, दैट इज़ 3. सो 3 प्रिंट होगा. ओके, दैट इज़ 0 1 1 2 3. 3 होगा. फिर बाद में नेक्स्ट लाइन A इक्वल्स टू बी. B की वैल्यू जो है वो A को आएगी, दैट इज़ 2, एंड C की वैल्यू 3 वो आएगी B को. ये आ गया 3. फिर आई प्लस प्लस होगा, आई की वैल्यू क्या थी 4 थी, वो हो जाएगी अब 5, और 5 इज़ लेस देन 6 है क्या, देखेंगे है, तो नेक्स्ट लाइन c इज इक्वल टू a प्लस बी, सी की वैल्यू क्या आएगी, वो a प्लस बी दैट इज़ 2 प्लस 3, वो आएगी 5, वो c को आएगी, ओके, हियर आई मेंशन इट रॉन्ग, it is not going to a, it is going to c, okay. सो 3 के बाद क्या आएगा, आउटपुट में 5 आएगा। ठीक है, ये सी को आएगा 5, फिर नेक्स्ट लाइन पे अब जब जाएंगे हम a इक्वल्स टू बी, मीन्स b की जो वैल्यू है 3, वो 3 आएगा a को, एंड c की जो वैल्यू है 5 वो आएगी b को, i, फिर i प्लस प्लस होगा, i की वैल्यू क्या है 5, वो प्लस प्लस होके 6 हो जाएगा, 6 होने के बाद 6 इज़ लेस देन 6 है क्या, और इक्वल टू 6 है क्या, लेस देन नहीं है पर इक्वल टू तो है। फिर नेक्स्ट लाइन में आएगा, मीन्स इनसाइड द लूप c इक्वल्स टू a प्लस बी, c इक्वल्स टू a प्लस बी दैट इज़ 3 प्लस 5, 3 प्लस 5 इज़ 8, देन इन द आउटपुट इट विल प्रिंट 8, आफ्टर 8 द a इक्वल्स टू b, b की वैल्यू आएगी a को, c की वैल्यू आएगी b को, दैट इज़ 5 8, एंड i प्लस प्लस होगा, फिर 6 का हो जाएगा 7, 7 इज़ लेस देन 6 है क्या, नहीं है, हियर द कंडीशन बिकम्स फॉल्स, देन आवर लूप हियर एंड्स, सो आवर आउटपुट is only 0 1 1 2 3 5 8, this is our output, that is up to 6 terms, means if we neglect the 0 then it will becomes 6 terms, okay guys, please subscribe, till see you in the next video, bye.